A PLC with safety and robot controller on a single platform controls the entire production process. For a company using such a solution, this means the need for only one software, one training location, one technical support, and one service. This translates into a significant reduction in construction costs, as well as subsequent maintenance of the production line. This solution includes all safety functions, allowing robotic applications to be secured in accordance with the machinery directive requirements, including enabling operator cooperation with the robot. The availability of so many functions allows for flexible safety measures, which are essential and required for a given robotic production line. On a single track behind the safety controller, you can install 3 robot controllers. This enables full visibility between robots, including collaboration and the implementation of collision avoidance functions, which are standard with the robot. These advantages make IQR TSN Safety for Robots an appealing solution for manufacturing companies aiming to enhance the safety of their processes, minimize the risk of accidents, and optimize production efficiency.